Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change image into PDF online for free. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, I have an image on my desktop. As you can see, this is just an image, and I am going to show you how to change image into PDF for free. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser, either Safari or Google Chrome, and type pdf24.org. This is the website where you can do many things, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change image into PDF. As you can see, this option, image to PDF. Click on that and choose your image, choose file. I have an image on my desktop, this one, and upload. Once it has been uploaded, you should click on create PDF. I'm going to click on create PDF. As you can see, it has been actually converted into PDF, and now I can download. Click on download. The download is being started. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Let's check the download folder. Download, and this one, Pixel. I converted this image into PDF. Let's open it. As you can see, yeah, this is a PDF file. That's how you can change image or convert image into PDF. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.